Hello, everybody. I am glued to the television watching the news, but we're on lunch break, so I am reading my best friend's Exorcism, and I'm at the part now where there is a school assembly with bodybuilders, and one of the bodybuilders has pointed out Gretchen and recognized the fact that there is something demonic going on with her. And now her friend Abby is convinced that something supernatural is in fact taking place. So that's where I'm at in my best friend's Exorcism. I've got to hurry up and eat because we're about to gavel back in. Okay, bye. Hello. Still loving my best friend's Exorcism. However, I have to say the part I'm in right now I'm not loving. It's kind of where things are getting scary and real. And there's an episode that involves a pet. And yeah, that was rough going. But otherwise, I am loving this book. Hey everyone, quick reading update. This is my favorite book of the month so far. I loved my best friend's Exorcism. I had never read any Grady Hendrix before, and now I see why he's so popular. I am definitely going to be checking out more of his books in the near future. And yeah, this was a book that is not only about an exorcism. Really, it's a book that is ultimately about friendship and what you are willing to sacrifice and what lengths you will go to in order to save a relationship. And it's funny, it's touching, it's scary, and it's totally radical, man. I loved it. Next up, the OG. We're going to be reading the original manuscript by Mary Shelley of Frankenstein. Looking forward to this one. Hello everybody. The House of Flimsy is about to get even louder because we are now having to crank on the ACs. It's starting to feel like summer. I'm going to be reviewing my best friend's Exorcism for another channel. I'm going to be doing a collab. That might work too. That's kind of funky. Anyway, I'm going to be shooting this video to review my best friend's Exorcism. And I'm trying to find something that is kind of 80s themed. Oh, well, speaking of 80s, that definitely works. I like that. That could work. And I think this might be exactly what I am looking for. Today I'm going to be telling you about a book that contains mystery, music, mixtapes, macho men, maggots, and murder. This is the perfect weather. It's not warm. It feels like it's going to rain at any second, which means that it's keeping things cool. I have the screens in the windows, the breeze is blowing, and I've been watching the news, but I've also been reading Frankenstein, and it's really good. I was surprised how quickly I got through the book. I'm about maybe 3/4 the way through, so I should be finishing that up in the next day or two. I just stumbled on a beautiful community garden that I've never seen before. It's called Bruce's Garden, and it's even got a free little library, like a legit free little library for kids. It's incredible. Hey, it's Friday. The weather is still really cool, which is nice. It's drizzly and rainy, but it's nice and cool. I think today I'm gonna go and get a haircut and look for some clothes. That's the plan.
Hello, this is an accessible station.
I feel the chemistry.
He was like, that's my sister.
Big night in Texas, looked like fun. And it was here in New York City that Sports Illustrated celebrated its 60th swimsuit issue, a massive party.
What a cover. All the iconic beauties from then and now came together, including Gail King, who graces one of this year's 4 covers.
My least favorite activity in the world is shopping for clothes. I hate it. You would think that finding a basic black polo shirt would be very simple to find here, but apparently this is the season of spandex. It was very hard to find like just a classic cotton knit black polo men's shirt, but I finally found 2 of them, thank goodness. So I'm walking back home now, and I thought that we would see what is in the little free bookshelf on the way. How's that sound?
And then he said, oh, I don't know, they might need a basketball. They might need a pickup. They might need me. I was like, what do you mean?
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Well, hello, it's Sunday, and I have to say this week has probably been the most unproductive reading-wise since I've started this channel. I've just been preoccupied with other things. I got something really big coming up next week, and so haven't really been able to dedicate the time to film reading vlogs, so I apologize, but I'll make a conscious effort to do better next week. But you know, life. Somebody just had their BATH and is in quite a mood. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy reading. Bye.